Hey guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. Your Epson ET2720 printer suddenly refusing to print in color? Yeah, it's super annoying. 1 minute it's fine, and the next everything's come out black and white. Don't worry though, this is actually a pretty common issue. Most of the time, it's either a clogged nozzle or your printer's firmware just needs an update. In this video, I'll walk you through two quick and easy methods to get your printer back in full color again. So stick around, follow along step by step, and let's fix this together. Method 1. Perform par cleaning. Note that if you perform par cleaning, you'll be able to use the printer after 12 hours because the printer needs 12 hours to improve the quality of prints. Make sure each tank is at least 1/3 full before running a par cleaning. If not, it may damage the printer. Turn off your printer. Head over to the operational panel. Then press and hold power and help button. Once you see the screen asking to run par cleaning, release the power and help button. Now, press the OK button to confirm and run par cleaning. Wait for some minutes for the printer to perform the par cleaning. Once par cleaning is done, press the OK button. If cleaning the printhead solves the issue, please leave a like. Otherwise, try updating the firmware of your Epson ET2720. Method 2. Update firmware. First, open your browser and go to the official website of Epson Firmware Update. Now, scroll down and click on Download it here hyperlink. On the page you have been redirected to, scroll down and click on the Download button according to your device's operating system. Save the file on your computer and click Save button. After downloading, navigate to the downloaded application, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. On the Epson EULA window, read the license agreement and select the Agree option and then click OK. In the Epson Software Update window, select your product. Wait for the Epson Software Updater to check for software updates. After updates appear in the Updater window, check the Firmware Updater and click on Install Items button. Again, on the Epson EULA window, read the license agreement and select on the Agree option. Then click OK. Wait for the Firmware Updater to download. Now, in the Epson Firmware Updater window, read the instructions and precautions for updating. Then click on the Start button. Wait for the firmware update preparations to complete. Once the firmware update is completed, click on Finish and try printing again.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.